for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one.
DOS fit take action. I congratulate them now. I congratulate DOS. Mazi Chika Edozie, I congratulate you for that. Then, if you know the way una take Chika Edozie, if you know the way where you take get power, suspend that woman, still carry that power now. Do anything. May they give, at least make Onyen do get small space for this life. If that man die now, waiting weekend, nothing. We don't lose everything. Now, true say, he don't teach us everything. But if he die now, he not die the right time. Now the wrong time. Now the wrong time. We know they organize. DOS know they organize. IPOB know they organize. Everybody they fight for your own. Everybody want be organ. Everybody want be master. What did I beg DOS? I beg una. I beg una. Anything we una fit do, make una do them. And they make una do them now. Now. As I dey talk, make una dey do them. Time no day. Because when you go look now, you see what all these politicians they do, waiting that they walk around and round. All their walk around and prambulating round. Now make election come. No one they ever talk anything about the welfare of Onyendu wherever he is. Nobody they talk him. Nobody they talk anything about Onyendu welfare. Nobody they suggest at least now. Yeah, listen, my people. Ndi bae se kwando no yeji akwa okuko na asa agworo ogu ewere ofu enyenye ka o na-ereto ka o wee na-enwe okwukwe na ọgwụ ga-alụ ọlụ. Ka otu esi agụrụ anyị ndị politicians na agụrụ anyị manifesto ihe ha na ihe niile ahụ ka ha were calm down situation, ka ha zuru obi ndị mmadụ, ka they want to steal the mind of the people that they are working, so that the people will leave DOS and leave IPOB, that the people will not listen to IPOB again. We have to do something. We must not depend on the senators, and we must not depend on the governors. If this election happens, everything Mazi Onyendu has planned and worked for has not come to pass and will not come to pass. We must make sure DOS at the beg ona, make ona know what it no. See, whether DOS organize it at home, whether una no declare it at home, they go they keep people they go. Because the people where they do this thing, now the same politicians where go kill finish, they go come tell you say na IPOB they kill. Now Mazina the Galo people they kill. Now what did they go tell you? They go they pay small children, they go catch them, say make we catch you. Police go they beat them, they go say na IPOB they be ESN. I they beg go now. Whether on agree do sit at home, on no agree do sit at home, they go they kill, they go. They kill for Jos, they kill for Kaduna, they kill for North, they kill for Yoruba land. What is different from the one where they kill for Biafran land? Why go be saying when they kill for Biafran land, they go tag them IPOB? Then IPOB will come fear, carry their legs and hand, they go inside. Because on no one made their call on a bad name. The ones that they kill the other side, who did they hold responsible? Why be say anything will happen for Eastern Zone? They go find the way where they want carry and put for IPOB head. For waiting. Waiting at the beg owner. DOS, I beg. IPOB, I beg. Anything we una want do before this election, make una begin the hammer and no election. Make people they hear them. make una dey broadcast this ozioma ka ndị mmadụ na-anụta na no election, ka ndị nọ na village na-anụ ya, ndị nọ n'ime ime obodo na-anụta no election. Ọkwa no election ka anyị ga-ejikwa emere India. Chetakwanụ, remember the last time they begged Mazi Onye Ndu and they promised him that after this election we are going to look into your matter. We are going to stay with you, stay behind you. And after election, what happened? They say, Onye Ndu, if you want to die, you go die. We don't know you. So now the same thing, because election they come, they don't do everything, go kidnap them. DOS know they do anything. DOS on a fit do something. Make DOS come out, come announce to sit at home, make it day official. People want to sit at home until something happen. People don't tire for all this system. People don't tire for all these things when they happen. Forget who they call saying IPOB they kill or IPOB no they kill. You know they necessary. They kill for Yoruba land, they kill for Gausa, they kill for North, they kill for Middle Belt. Now who did they call? Why they say when they kill for Eastern Zone, it go come be IPOB? Why? IPOB they fear them. When they fear them, face, you know they fear face to live. Make una organize sit at home, I dey call una DOS, I dey call una DOS, I beg una. If una no do something, they no go do no say Onye Ndu get person. Make una no dey listen to Onye Ndu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever he dey, he no dey free. They go carry gun, put am for head, tell am, always tell them no coming out, no more sitting at home, no more. And he go talk am, una go take am. All these years, Onye Ndu they broadcast, they talk, go up and down. They do everything. Waiting on a learn now. Why you hand the leadership over to you? When you no go fit handle the leadership, he give you the seat of power. Una no Chike Dozie, Mazi Chike Dozie, I dey sorry, I know they insult anybody. But waiting at the talk be say, if you as a man, Onye Ndu trust, you know fit take authority, do something as Onye Ndu would do if he is there. Onye Ndu no go there happy with you. Waiting you go they do be say, if no Onye Ndu in this situation, waiting he go do. If no Onye Ndu, they don't betray Onye Ndu before. Igbo politicians, Southeast politicians and governors and the see them, all of them, King Sauhanese, they don't betray Onye Ndu before. So at this time, if they come again, say they want to reconcile, he go listen to them. For this sit at home for election, he go look them for face. Okay, now you want to be say if Onye Ndu the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey outside and they hold somebody where they very important and dear to him for DSS, and they want make them come out and go correctional center because the lawyers know they fit see him, you know they know they give him good medical attention. You know fit see anybody where he want see, you know fit talk. He no go do anything make they do him. He go do anything where he take to do him. And DOS now the same you DOS tell us say now because una declare sit at home now make them agree listen to una say make lawyers begin this say make una still do another sit at home. We go shock the whole Nigeria, we go shock the whole world, make they allow in lawyers they go visit them freely and fairly. How in lawyer the legal teams, old men will be like you see those lawyers. They know all the reach for your eye. When they go small boys, when they for DSS go tell them make they come out their clothes. They go wear singlet and pants. And they go carry you barefooted, come out their shoe, come out their stockings. They carry them like foolish mad people. Go make they go meet Onye Ndu. What a humiliation. Una no do anything, una no one do anything. Make una declare sit at home until those humiliations stop. Even if Onye Ndu is a criminal, he should be treated fairly, which is not. He's not a criminal. So why should he be treated in such manner? Why? We all sit in our houses and enjoying. We are happy. What thing that happen, DOS? Which action on one take and when you do die? You know what make it die for detention? We don't say nothing gonna happen to them, but I have to move. I gotta move. Move. If I no move now, I no go move again. Election they come, oh. Election they come. Before you know what thing they happen, and they don't plan, they don't finish them. See waiting all the politicians, they talk all the thing where they talk, oh my hero, this one, no sitting at home, no sitting at everybody, no sitting at home. Now beware that they target, no sitting at home, because they know that that is their weak point. If you hold them for that sit at home, they go there paralyzed. So why we no go hold them there until they come to terms? You not supposed to look anybody for face, DOS. Because they no look you for face when they go carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for where they go kidnap him. They no look am for face. So why you go look them for face? Why you go fear waiting they want talk? Why you go listen to waiting they want tell you? Whatever they want to talk. Excuse me. Waiting they want talk, you know they necessary. DOS only one thing, I beg, help me pass on this message. Let it get to the DOS. Let it get to Chike Edozie. Let it get to Asa Barama. Let it get to the people that matters. May they do something. May they do something. Something immediately. I know they tell you say I be prophet. I no be prophet of any nation or nations. I no be any prophet. We go come tell you before you know say na prophet. You go see waiting that happen with your eyes. You go smell them with your nose. You don't need anybody to tell you again. Say, now this thing that happen. You have to know. You have to know. Say, land no good, land no level. If no be say, the Eastern Security go scatter them, pursue them, come out to where they gather for election. Meeting. How they organize committee to carry out the election the other day, last week. You know say they don't start? That one they see. The one when they do for secret where you know see income. DOS make gonna do something new. Make all this battle where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the battle all these years no go in vain. Make it no they disappointed the owner. Make nobody ever depend on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for any instruction. Because they feel tell and waiting him go tell you under duress and he go tell you go do him. Now so they control them now. Because waiting ever they want tell them they go put and go here. Talk like this. And the waiting they tell them talk. He go talk. He go talk. You suppose know so. You suppose know the country. You suppose know the people. Mindless blood know their body. Those people waiting their body was to pass acid. They no be human beings. People will go cut human being belly, come out the picking where they inside the throwaway. This same Buhari now, during the Civil War, carry men, enter from Asaba, begin to kill all male people. Everybody will be male, all male, everything will be man, will get penis in between their legs. Now this same Buhari cause am. Now carry men, come they kill. If they kill all the men finish, any woman where they see get belly, they cut in belly, see whether the man they inside. They go see kill them one baby. When they don't cut, come out. I beg on DOS, I beg on make on hear, make on do. If you get this video, try share them, make others get them. No election, I see the broadcast. No election, I still stand. No election. Whether no election as they talk, they don't close 3 of my pages. No election. They don't close 3 of my pages. This one now, the new Facebook account with this new page account, I don't know whether they go come close them tomorrow. I know send. If they close them, I go put another one. No election. We must stand. No election. Let heaven fall. Let the earth sink. No election. Now that one, all of them want. You see all the governors. wetin they do na the way to get the election pass, make they enter power again, make anybody wey wan rule make him dey rule, but make nobody elect anybody. Make the world know say we dey ready. Thank you for watching. Share this video.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye.